it's Craig Campbell, Angry Tones Riff Clips, coming at you today with a little prototype action from AMM Amplified. Just working on a single knob boost for Tony Dolan with Venom Inc. And just want to see what it sounds like today with a 65052 and an ESP 1987 with Seymour Duncan JB in the bridge and a 59 in the neck. Hope you guys like that quick little sample. Let me know what you think in the comments, and we'll be getting a lot more information on this pedal soon, and I'll put everything in the description of what I know about it now. But this prototype sounds really, really good. Anthony's going to make a couple of tweaks and add some lower end girth and a little bit more magic he's going to put under the hood of this thing. But so far I'm digging the output, I'm digging the gain, I'm digging the bite, and can't wait to hear what the finished product is going to sound like. But this is getting really, really good. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this stuff right here, and we'll get some more information on the next prototype soon. Let me know what you think of this one. And make sure you check out AMP Amplified and all the other products he does and all the modifications he does. You won't be disappointed. Catch you guys next time.